Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Let's grab a marker or a pencil. We're going to start in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. Start at the very top, come down, and then back up. Now along the top of the nose, draw a small circle for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's move to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to bend this out and down, and then just curl that up towards the cheeks. And then we'll round out the cheek, just pulling that back in like a bracket. And we'll close out the bottom of the chin with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's shift the mouth over towards the left side. So starting up here, bend this across and then down towards the middle. Go back to the left side and add a bracket. Let's go to the top of the nose. We're going to draw a straight line going up to separate the brow. Now let's draw the top edge of the brow. Starting on the left side of the nose, bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. We're just going to mirror this over. Now I want to round out the top of the brow, come all the way around and then in on top of the cheek. Let's go up to the same height on the right and do the same thing, pulling that in. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, I'm going to draw an oval, coming down and then tuck that up underneath. And then line that up on the right side. Let's add a smaller oval in the center and then fill that in black. Let's go underneath the cheeks. We're going to add a fold, going out and then up, going around the eyes. Now I want to go up above the eyes and add a thick brow. We're going to start on the outside. We're going to go up higher in the middle, go around the eye, and then bend that down on the inside. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Just going to line this up and then come down. Now up above the brow, we're going to add in the ears. Let's start from the outside, bend this out and then up toward the top. Curl the right side. Now I want to bend the ears, coming in and then down. Let's trace the ears along the outside. Just going to trace the sides coming around. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to close this off with a curve. Let's go in between the ears and draw that center spike. We're going to start on the left side, bend this up and then out, bend this down and then across in front of the right ear. Now there's two sets of spikes on either side of the head, so we're going to start with that top one first. Starting from the side of the ear, bend this out and then up. I'm just going to curl the outside coming around and then in towards the side of the head, sort of aiming towards the eyes. Now let's draw on that bottom spike, starting on the left, bend this out and then up. And we're going to curl this down and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side of the head. I'm going to bend this around and then in towards the hip. Go over towards the right. I'm going to do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. We're going to leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to draw a straight angled line coming down towards the bottom of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. And we're going to round out the bottom of the leg with a curve. And then we're going to go back up to the hips, draw a straight angled line, coming down towards the outside of the ankle. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add that center patch. Starting on the left side, we draw an oval, coming around toward the bottom, and then bend that back up. Let's go back to the bottom. We're going to add that thick cuff around the ankles. On the left side, we're going to step up. We're going to add a bracket. Go to the inside and do the same thing. Now let's add that fold. We're going to step over, curve around the bottom, and just tuck that up on the inside. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, bend the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the foot. Starting from the left side, curve the foot, coming down and then up. We're going to bend the foot, going up and then in towards the side of the ankle. Let's go back and add some detail inside the shoe. We're going to take this curve, step up and just trace it across to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. And we're going to add that stripe going across the top of the foot. Let's start from the outside of the cuff, bend this in and then down towards the sole. Now we're going to step all the way out, just trace that same curve. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. I'm going to start halfway down the side of the body, so starting right here, and it's out and then down towards the cuff. Same thing on the right. Just going to round this out just like we did with the legs. And then we're going to bend the arm going back up and then in towards the top of the body. We're going to have that same thick cuff around the wrist. So again, starting with the bracket on the ends. And we'll add that fold. Going all the way around and then tuck that up underneath. Let's go to the inside of the cuff. We'll draw a half circle for the thumb. And then close off the end with a bracket. And then we want to add 3 large fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, draw that first finger, coming around and then up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger, coming down and up. And then the third finger, starting from the side, we're going to go all the way around and just tuck that in towards the side of the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, the second, and then the third. Now I'm going to finish off by adding the tail poking out from the left hip. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Supersonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.